Hey, this is Anthony Tour. Thanks so much for about a minute and 30 seconds of your time. What we're showing fitness professionals how to do, and they're actually already doing it and having a lot of success, is they're monetizing their customer base, their client base, to introduce an ultimate transformation that is truly unique that we have through our company. And I have a little clip below where you can see kind of the products in there. You can do further research at the site that's attached to this, the YouTube channel, Evaluate Purium. There's a lot of videos there. You can go to iSharePurium, Purium.com, and just check out the products. But one of the things that we're doing, like I say, that's working very well, is we're helping fitness professionals create recurring income, leveraged recurring income. So I'd love to talk to you more about that. Watch the clip below, and then let's talk. God bless. I'll talk to you soon.